Candiners, currently we are open for PMAN position to join our cement carrier and general cargo vessels. This is for the next rotation. It will be in September, October, and November. And we are open for all Latin American rating. We are accepted for Peru, Panama, Venezuela, Honduras, and other countries in Latin America. And for these vacancies, you didn't need to have English knowledge because all our crew is coming from Latin America and also Spanish. So you didn't have any problem with language because daily conversation is used in Spanish language. And the contract will be 6 months on board, and the salary will be 2,000 US dollar per month. And for this vacancy, you need to have able Siemens COC. It can be 2/4, but it will be perfect if you have 2/5. Yeah, you can send your CV to our email, or you can directly put it in our link database. We will provide it in this video description. So please like, subscribe this video to your friend. Bye bye.